Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande. Today we're making some curry stew chicken outside. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's What's in the Pot. Welcome to What's in the Pot. So for our chicken, I'm using half of a chicken cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of just regular curry powder. You can use any kind of curry powder you use. I'm using Chief brand curry powder. It's probably the one I use the most. I'm also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of my homemade adobo seasoning. I'll post a link on how you can make your own homemade adobo as well. And also we're going to be adding a little bit of Sazon for a little bit of extra flavor. About 1 teaspoon of Sazon. You don't have to add the Sazon if you don't have any. And also we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now to spice it up, I'm going to be adding some of this habanero Trinidad hot sauce. Now you don't have to add this pepper sauce if you don't want the heat. I'm only adding a little bit to add a little bit extra flavor. This stuff is pretty hot, and also I want everyone to be able to taste the dish. You don't want it too spicy unless it's for me, then I'll make it really spicy. But also I'm adding some of this Trinidad green seasoning. I'm just using whatever I have left in the bottle. And I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of sofrito, which is very similar to Trinidad green seasoning. And we're going to be adding a teaspoon of minced garlic, which is equivalent to about 3 cloves of garlic chopped up. So you can use either the minced garlic or chopped up garlic, whatever you have on hand. For best results, you want to make sure you let this chicken marinate overnight. And you just put it in your fridge. There's my chicken that was marinating. Now to start my stew, I'm actually not using oil to burn my sugar. I'm just going to be putting the sugar, the brown sugar, into the pot, and we're going to let it start caramelizing. Once it starts caramelizing like this, we're going to go ahead and then throw our chicken in. Once we add our chicken in, we're going to give it a nice quick turn. We just want to make sure that caramelized flavor gets coated on all the pieces of chicken. Then we're going to go ahead and put the lid on it and let that cook. Now after about 4 or 5 minutes, you're going to see the chicken start releasing some natural juices. You're going to let the chicken cook until the natural juices start to dry up. Once it starts to dry up, we're going to be adding a few more ingredients. We'll be adding some onions and tomatoes. This is about maybe 4 small cherry tomatoes chopped up and about 1/4 of an onion. Once we add those onions and tomatoes, mix that up and then get that incorporated into the stew. Now most of the water that started spraying from the chicken at the start has dried up, so we're going to add some more water. I like to add the water into the bowl that I season the chicken because it has lots of flavor. After about 20 minutes, our chicken starts to dry up. Right before I'm done, I'm going to add some green onions and some fresh Trinidad green seasoning. Mix that up, and that's it, man. Our chicken is done. About 30 to 40 minutes cooking time because I like to cook my chicken until it's nice, soft, and tender. But that's our final product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Peace.